Do you want to create animated stick figures using Canva Pro, 100% free, no trial, no credit card, no hacks? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to access pro stick figures in Canva without spending a cent, and how to create simple animations using Pivot Animator, a totally free tool. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to SmartTechHub and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. I've noticed most of my views come from non-subscribers. If you're watching and this video helps you out, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel and helps us grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who wants to create fun, animated content for free. Let's get started. Option 1. Use Canva Pro for free. Step 1. Log into Canva. Head to canva.com and log in with your regular email. You'll see a Start Your Free Trial prompt. Don't click it, you don't need it. Step 2. Create a video canvas. Click Create a Design, then select Video Aspect Ratio 16:9. This will give you a blank landscape video canvas, perfect for YouTube or social media. Step 3. Add a background. Go to Elements, click on Search Old Paper. Many are marked as Pro. For background, we need to stick to free one. Don't worry, there's plenty free ones to choose from. Resize it to fit the canvas. Adjust the duration for each slide and duplicate as needed to build your animation frame by frame. Step 4. Add stick figures. In Elements, search Stick Figure. Click the Graphics or Stick Figures tab to access various shape and stick figure options. Even if you see the Pro watermark or Remove watermark, ignore it. We'll handle that later. Resize, position, and animate each figure as needed. Tip: do all your editing and animation work before recording. It'll save you time later. Step 5. Continue building your animation. Add more slides for different movements or poses. Use animation tools, other design elements, text, or speech bubbles. Be creative. Adjust the duration of each slide to control pacing.
Got your text an hour ago. Been sitting here in this dress, phone in hand, mascara running, but something's pushing me to move.
Make the first slide longer, 10 to 15 seconds. I tell you shortly why this is necessary and how it helps you to have Canva Pro stick figures animation for free.
Friends might see me here. Yeah, I'm alone and I don't care.
Step 6. Play the video in full screen mode. Crucial step. Once your animation is complete, click play in full screen. Move your mouse pointer off the screen so the play bar and controls disappear. Keep watching. I'll explain exactly why this step is crucial. Step 7. Use a screen recorder. Here's the trick. We're going to screen record your Canva animation in full screen. Some top quality free screen recorders, OBS Studio. Open source, very powerful. ShareX, lightweight and highly customizable. I personally use Cyberlink Screen Recorder, but it's paid. The free options are more than enough. Some can even record in 4K or higher. Just look around and you'll find one that fits your setup. Step 8. Screen record the animation. While in full screen, start your screen recorder. Make sure your mouse is off screen so no control bars appear. Because you made your first slide longer, you'll have time to trim out any unwanted parts, like play buttons or loading transitions. Step 9. Edit the recording in CapCut. Open the screen recording in CapCut, a 100% free and user-friendly editor. Trim out the start and end, where controls show. Add text, effects, or sound if you like, but most of the animation is already done in Canva. When exporting, be sure to choose 4K resolution for best quality. You can also adjust playback speed in CapCut if needed.
Got your text an hour ago. Been sitting here in this dress. Phone in hand, mascara running. But something's pushing me to move. Tonight I'm not gonna sit here crying. Found my keys, grabbed my jacket, now I'm driving to that place where the bass keeps playing.
Option 2. Use Pivot Animator for 100% free stick figures. Step 1. Download and open Pivot Animator. Open the software. You'll see the stick figure in the center. Step 2. Add and animate figures. Click Add Figure to add more stick people. Move parts of the figure by dragging joints. After every pose or move, click Next Frame to build up your animation. I've pre-built 15 frames in this example, but you can do as many as you like. Step 3. Bend limbs and customize. Click on a body part, then go to Edit Segment Properties. Use Input Segment Value to bend the arm or leg. 0 means straight. Negative means bend. Keep adding frames to build the motion sequence.
Sometimes I still feel the sting of everything we could have been. But these lights and this beat tonight are showing me I'll be alright.
Customize stick figure color. From left side toolbar, you can choose a new color to personalize your stick figure. Add background, optional. You can load a background image to fit the screen. 16:9 aspect ratio recommended. Note, it only applies to the current frame. You'll need to apply it manually to each frame if you want it across all.
Got your text an hour ago. Been sitting here in this dress. Phone in hand, mascara.
Step 6. Export the video. Once your animation is done, go to File, Export Animation. Choose Format MP4, Resolution HD 1080p or higher. Enable Smooth Edges. Save your video somewhere, and that's it.
I'm just crying. Can't stop my feet from dancing. Watch it now, I'm dancing. Can't stop
Bonus: add sound effects in CapCut. After exporting your Pivot Animator video, here's a cool way to enhance it with sound. Open the video in CapCut and drag it onto the timeline. Click on the Audio tab, then go to Sound Effects. Search for punch or any sound that fits your animation. Pick one that works best for the vibe of your video. Mine's just a rough example for tutorial purposes, but if you're serious about stick figure animation, find one that really fits your scene. Preview, adjust, and sync the sound with your animation. When you're done, click Export. Set the resolution to 4K. Format MP4. Don't touch the other settings, just hit Export and you're good to go. Now you know 2 powerful ways to create animated stick figures, either by unlocking Canva Pro assets without paying or by using Pivot Animator 100% free. If this helped you out, like the video. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to SmartTechHub so you never miss tutorials like this. Share it with a friend who loves animation or wants to try it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.